Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Gattu's new sport shoes. Mummy and Chinky were watching TV together. Gattu and Papa had gone to buy a pair of sports shoes for Gattu.
Mummy, they have been gone for so long. When will Gattu come? I'm excited to see his new shoes. They will be on their way, Chinky. Wait for few more minutes.
Gattu and Papa returned home.
Gattu, you're back. Do you know how long I was waiting for you? Chinky, look at this. Mummy, see my new shoes? Chinky, do you know? These shoes are very special. They change color in sunlight. Oh wow, Gattu, they are really unique.
Gattu finally selected these shoes after going through many shops in the market for 2 hours.
That is why he was able to find such special shoes. Okay, Gattu, now keep them carefully. Otherwise, they will get dirty. No way, Mummy. I won't let them get dirty at all. I will keep them carefully and clean them every day. Very good.
Then Gattu kept his shoes on the top shelf of the shoe rack and also covered them properly with paper.
See, Mummy, now my shoes won't get dirty at all.
Everyone started laughing at Gattu's words. After that, Gattu went to sleep. But Chinky wanted to go to play.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I want to go to play. Oh, Chinky, I have washed your shoes today itself. Why don't you wear Gattu's shoes and go to play? Okay, Mommy, but Gattu won't have any problem, right? Of course not, Chinky. You are siblings. You have to share all your things amongst yourselves. You can go.
Then Chinky went to play. And after some time, Gattu woke up. He started looking for his shoes as soon as he woke up.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I wanted to show them to all my friends. Oh, Chinky wore your shoes and went out. She will come back very soon, Gattu. But why, Mummy? Gattu, don't talk like that. You should share your things with your sister.
That's when Chinky returned.
Chinky, give me my shoes back. I want to show them to my friends. Sure, Gattu, take it. Oh no, what is this? What happened, Gattu? Did the shoes get dirty? They are not dirty, Mummy. They are torn. Chinky has ruined my shoes. There is a hole in this shoe. Oh no, how did it happen, Chinky? Mummy, I might have accidentally ruined it while playing. Sorry, Gattu. Sorry, Mummy.
Chinky apologized to Gattu, but he was very angry. Gattu went to his room crying.
Gattu, wait. Where are you going? You shouldn't react like this. Mummy, Gattu is very angry with me. I don't like it when he is so upset with me.
Mummy saw that Chinky was also on the verge of crying, so she consoled her.
Don't worry, Chinky. This can be repaired. I will talk to Gattu about this. You should go and complete your homework.
Chinky went away sadly and started doing her homework. After some time, Papa came home and Chinky told him everything that happened.
Papa, I'm feeling very bad. Can't we do anything to make Gattu's shoes good again? Are they completely ruined now?
Of course not, Chinky. It's not the case. Come, let's go and get his shoes fixed right now. Hearing this, Chinky was very happy and she quickly got ready to go with Papa to fix the shoes.
Let's go, Papa. Gattu is very upset since he saw them. I want him to be happy again and talk to me. He doesn't look good when he stays quiet.
Then, Chinky and Papa took Gattu's shoes to the cobbler. At home, Mummy went to Gattu's room and tried to convince him.
Gattu, how long are you going to stay angry? Come on, get up and eat something. I have made sandwiches. No, Mummy, I don't want to eat anything. Why did Chinky wear them? I have not worn those shoes even once and she ruined them already.
Saying this, Gattu started crying and Mummy tried to calm him down.
Please don't cry, Gattu. Papa and Chinky have gone to fix your shoes. No, Mummy, my shoes won't be as good as new. I know that.
Mummy was trying to console him when Papa and Chinky also entered the room. Stop crying, Gattu. See, we have got your shoes fixed. They are fine now.
What? Really?
Yes, look at this. Gattu saw his shoes and was very happy that they were good.
Wow, these are looking even better than earlier, Papa.
Yes, Gattu. We asked the cobbler to get G letter embroidered where there was a hole. Now your shoes also have your initials on them.
Wow, it's true. They even look better than before. Gattu, are you happy now? Yes, Mummy. Now I'm not upset at all. So, Gattu, did you forgive me for this? Of course, Chinky. I forgive you for this.
Then Gattu wore his new shoes.
Mummy, can I go and show these shoes to my friends? Sure, Gattu. You can go. But first, eat something. No, Mummy. I want to show this to my friends first. I can't wait any longer. This G looks so cool on my shoes. Okay, fine, Gattu. But come home soon. Gattu, I will also come with you.
This way, Gattu went to show his new sports shoes to his friends. Everyone liked Gattu's shoes very much, and especially the letter G on his shoes. Chinky's new dress. While asking from something from the elders, the children make such plans or put up such ideas that the elders get stunned. One evening while Chinky was looking at her clothes opening the cupboard,
All my dresses are so old. I don't have a single new dress.
then suddenly she got an idea.
Idea. There can be no better idea than this, to ask Mom for a new dress.
When Mom was crossing her room, suddenly her attention went inside the room.
Chinky, where is she? Just now she was standing in front of the open cupboard.
Mom came and stood in front of the cupboard and started looking here and there for Chinky. Then suddenly the cupboard told Mom.
Hey auntie, are you looking for Chinky?
At first, Mom was terrified after hearing the sound. But then she smiled and said,
Yes, it's Chinky's room, isn't it? I'm looking for Chinky. But who are you? Me? I am cupboard. I mean Chinky's cupboard. Sorry, cupboards for clothes.
Hearing this, Mom burst into laughter.
Oh, so the cupboard is talking. Cupboard, can you tell me where is my Chinky? No, I can't tell at all. Oh, but why can't you tell? Because I'm hungry. My stomach is empty. How many days? Not a single new dress. First bring me new dress, then I will tell where Chinky is.
Hearing this, Mom also dramatically said,
But that's why I was looking for her. Had to go for shopping. But leave. New dress cancel.
As soon as the cupboard heard about the cancellation, the cupboard suddenly opened and Chinky, who was sitting in the cupboard, shouted loudly.
You do this always to me, Mom. If Gattu asks for something, then you agree so quickly.
Seeing Chinky like this, Mom burst into laughter. She started laughing loudly, and as soon as she started laughing, the matter of bringing a new dress for Chinky also got finalized. It was one pleasant Saturday evening. When Dad came from office, Mom was sitting in the hall all ready. Hey, you were going to take Chinky shopping, weren't you? Why didn't you go?
I will go as soon as Chinky will come home. Chinky is downstairs playing with Gattu.
So Gattu Chinky were playing in the society campus, having fun. And Mom came and stood in front of them with purse in her hand.
Hey Chinky, I've been waiting for you for so long. Oh, sorry Mom. I almost forgot it while playing. All these happened because of Gattu. Now don't start a fight standing here. Go Gattu, bring us a rickshaw.
Gattu ran almost in Milka speed and brought them a rickshaw from outside of the society. Mom and Chinky sat in the rickshaw and went out for shopping. After coming to the mall, Mom started doing shopping for some regular stuff. Chinky was desperate to go to the dress section.
Come on Mom, let's go there.
And Chinky took Mom to the kids' corner, where many different, attractive dresses were exciting the kids.
Choose whichever dress you want, Chinky.
But seeing so many new dresses and trendy fashions, Chinky got confused.
Should I take this one or that one? Or should I rob the whole shop?
Chinky was so confused. Then suddenly, her eyes fell on one dress, and all the other dresses were out of her mind.
Wow, so nice. I have never seen this dress with anyone. Brand new fashion. I'll try and see this.
Saying this, Chinky was about to pick up the dress when suddenly another girl pulled the dress.
Hey, I was about to take this. Hey, go away. This dress is mine. No, it is mine.
And thus the fight between the two started. Hearing their quarrel, the manager and mom also reached there.
Look, Mom, I liked this dress earlier and this girl is not letting me have it. Don't worry, there will be another dress like this too.
Sorry, ma'am. Only one piece is available for this.
Then I want this dress only. Chinky, there are many more dresses. You try that one. No, this is what I like and this is what I want.
Then suddenly a voice came from behind.
Minky?
When everyone looked back, Minky's mummy was standing behind.
Mom, I want this dress.
Then Chinky's mom told Minky's mom.
Hey Sarla, you? Did you recognize me? How will I not recognize you? We have spent 3 years together in college. Have you come for shopping? Yes, this is my daughter Chinky. The dress that she liked, your Minky also liked that. What to do now? Don't worry, Minky's choice changes every second. Minky, there are the latest designs in that corner.
On hearing this, Minky put that dress in Chinky's hand and ran towards the other corner.
See? Okay, I will go for now. See you someday.
Saying that, Minky's mother left. But Chinky stood angry even after getting the dress.
Have you changed your choice too? No, I love this dress, but so much drama took place for this dress.
Hearing this, mom smiled and said,
Hey, that's life. All these things happen. There is no fun in getting something easily. The fun is in achieving anything by struggle. Go, try this dress now.
Chinky ran to the trial room and came out wearing the new dress. Chinky was looking like an angel in the new dress.
Perfect. Now let's eat 2 plates of chaat pakodi and then let's go home. Yes, let's go.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें